Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is the final episode of Huobi Global and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to withdraw all of your money from Huobi Global all the way back into your bank account. So let's get started. So my account only has 60 ringgit in total and I have no choice but to go with this seller Tate9552. So we gotta add an account that we need so that we can withdraw our money from Huobi straight to that account. So let's go ahead and do that. So right here, we're going to go ahead and type in our fund password, which you are required to create before you actually sell your US tethers into Malaysian ringgit. So right now it is activated. Let's go ahead and just withdraw that money. So, oh wait, I forgot to transfer my coins into fiat account. Let's just go ahead and transfer this to fiat. Enter the transfer amount, which is around 13.7. So right now we're just going to go ahead and use the fiat and transfer it all the way back into our PayPal account. So right now we got a really small problem, in that is our account don't reach the minimum limit of 60 ringgit. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and deposit a few more dollars just for the sake of meeting the bare minimum, and then let's just go ahead and withdraw our money back into our PayPal safe and sound. So this might actually be one of the downsides of using Huobi Global, because if you don't really have that much of money, you're going to have some trouble buying or selling certain cryptocurrencies and even withdrawing your money back into where you want it to be. 5 minutes has passed by and I've deposited another 60 ringgit just so I could withdraw all my money back to my PayPal account. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. So right here on my screen you can actually see there is a limit of 6,000 ringgit and a bare minimum of 60 ringgit. So we're just gonna go ahead and sell it to this guy. Sell all. We're finally having enough to meet the requirements to go ahead and sell it. And let's just go ahead and sell it. Order. We're gonna go ahead and type in our fund password. So right now we're gonna go ahead and wait for the buyer to pay for our tethers, and then we will actually probably see our money back into the place where we want to see, which is in my case PayPal. So the seller actually told me that he does not use PayPal, so he actually asked for my bank account number, and so I sent it to him through the chat function, and then he just banked into me the rest of the amount. Hey guys, so a little bit of an update. My camera just died while I was waiting for the payment from this buyer, and guess what? After 20 minutes, I received the payment in my bank account, and you guys can see the history right here. And I've received 5 ringgit less than what I initially deposited, which is 120 ringgit. It doesn't really matter because I was just trying out this platform for you guys and for me as well. So if you guys are actually interested in using this Huobi Global platform, again, use the referral code in the description box below and get up to $170 worth of bonuses. So right now, I'm gonna provide my final thoughts on what this platform is to me and what it could be improved in and what it is really good right now. I mean the upsides of using this platform right now. Number one, I believe that this app was too complicated than it has to be, because a lot of people are actually just as a newbie, just getting into the crypto space, so it's not really necessary for apps to be that complicated, in my opinion. So I hope my 2 cents just don't scare you away from using this app. But for the experts, yes, Huobi Global actually provides you a bunch of features that experts need: mining pool, P2P crypto, many more stuff like that. You guys can go ahead and check the previous videos out and click up the top right here if you guys are interested in that. Secondly, I believe that this app is really clean. The design and everything looks really clean. In my opinion, I really like it, and it just looks kind of like stash away color if I were to put it into dark mode. So of course I like it, I'm a fan of it, and I will definitely be using Huobi Global if I were to trade cryptocurrencies more often. But as of now, I'm not planning to use it anytime soon, as I am just a long-term holder in the cryptocurrency field. When will I take profit? I never know. Don't ever ask me that question, because as always, I used to always say it on my channel, I never take profits. So as of now, the plan is to buy and hold, and that's all. Third thing is that Huobi Global is actually a really efficient platform. So I've experienced this firsthand in the P2P crypto function that Huobi has to offer. Most of my transactions have been completed within 5 minutes, and if not, it is completed within 20 minutes. So with all of that being said, we have come to an end of the Huobi Global episodes. and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new around here, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. More videos to come, and I will see you in the next one.